নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, স্পোর্টসের পর্দায় আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। এই মুহূর্তে কিন্তু আমি দাঁড়িয়ে আছি যুবভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গনের যে প্রেস কনফারেন্স রুম তার একটু বাইরে, এবং কিছুক্ষণ আগে কিন্তু প্রেস কনফারেন্স করলেন মোহনবাগান হেড কোচ সার্জিও লোবেরা, এবং তার সাথে এসেছিলেন কিন্তু জেসন কামিন্স। গতকাল ইস্টবেঙ্গল কিন্তু হারিয়েছে মুম্বাইকে এবং চলে গেছে 1 নম্বর স্থানে। সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে কিন্তু এই প্রশ্নের সম্মুখীন হতে হলো মোহনবাগান কোচকে যে ইস্টবেঙ্গলের বিরুদ্ধে কিন্তু ডার্বি 17 তারিখ, এবং সেটা হতে পারে এবছরের আইএসএল ডিসাইডার। সেইটা নিয়ে কি তিনি এখন থেকেই ভাবছেন? তবে স্পষ্ট উত্তর সার্জিও লোবেরার, তিনি কিন্তু সেই ম্যাচ নিয়ে 1% এই মুহূর্তে ভাবছেন না। তিনি শুধুমাত্র ভাবছেন গোয়া ম্যাচ নিয়ে। তিনি গোয়া ম্যাচটা জিততে চান এবং ডার্বির আগে আর যে কটা ম্যাচ আছে প্রত্যেকটি ম্যাচ জিতে তারপরে তিনি ডার্বির নিয়ে ভাবতে চান, এবং সেইটার উত্তর তিনি ডার্বির আগের দিন প্রেস কনফারেন্সে এসেই দেবেন। এই মুহূর্তে তিনি কিন্তু ডার্বি নিয়ে একদমই ভাবতে নারাজ। তিনি শুধুমাত্র গোয়া ম্যাচ এবং গোয়া ম্যাচ থেকে 3 পয়েন্ট নিয়ে আসা, এই নিয়ে কিন্তু তিনি ভাবছেন। তার সাথে সাথে তাকে যখন জিজ্ঞেস করা হলো আপুইয়াকে নিয়ে, তিনি কিন্তু বললেন তিনি সম্পূর্ণ আশাবাদী আপুইয়াকে নিয়ে। হয়তো 90 মিনিট তিনি খেলতে পারবে কিনা সেইটা এখনো জানেন না কোচ, কিন্তু আপুইয়া মাঠে নামছে। গোয়া ম্যাচের আগে কিন্তু এখনও 2টো প্র্যাকটিস সেশন পাবে মোহনবাগান। এই 2টো প্র্যাকটিস সেশনে কিন্তু আপুইয়াকে আরও ভালো করে দেখে নেওয়ার সুযোগ আছে মোহনবাগান কোচ সার্জিও লোবেরার কাছে, এবং সেটা তিনি বললেন প্রেস কনফারেন্সে। তার সাথে সাথে তিনি বললেন যে আপুইয়াকে ভালো করে দেখে নেওয়া হবে। 90 মিনিটের কথা তিনি এই মুহূর্তে বলতে পারছেন না, তবে আপুইয়া যে মাঠে থাকছে সে কথা তিনি কিন্তু বললেন। তার সাথে আজকে প্রেস কনফারেন্সে এসেছিল জেসন কামিন্স। জেসন কামিন্স কিন্তু প্রেস কনফারেন্স করলেন নিজের চিরাচরিত ভঙ্গিমায়, অর্থাৎ তিনি কিন্তু প্রেস কনফারেন্সের যে একটা সিচুয়েশন থাকে সেখানে সবাই গম্ভীর মতন করে কথা বলেন, তিনি কিন্তু মোটেই গম্ভীর ছিলেন না। তিনি কিন্তু হাসলেন এবং সবাইকে হাসালেনও, যেটা জেসন কামিন্স করে থাকেন। এবং সেই নিয়ে কিন্তু তখন যখন জিজ্ঞেস করা হলো যে তিনি তার এবছরের ফুটবল খেলা নিয়ে বা পারফরমেন্স নিয়ে কতটা খুশি, তিনি বললেন যে না, অবশ্যই আমি একজন ফুটবলার হিসাবে আরও বেশি সময় মাঠে থাকতে চাই, খেলতে চাই, কিন্তু আমি চাই আমার দল জিতুক এবং আমার দলের প্রত্যেকটা প্লেয়ার নিজের সেরাটা দিক। জেসন কামিন্স যবে থেকে ভারতবর্ষে এসেছেন, তিনি এসেছিলেন কিন্তু অ্যাজ এ স্ট্রাইকার, কিন্তু ভারতবর্ষে এসে মোহনবাগানের জার্সিটা তিনি কিন্তু অনেকগুলো পজিশনে খেলে নিয়েছেন। সেই প্রসঙ্গে জেসন কামিন্সের বক্তব্য, তাকে কোচ চাইলে তিনি সেন্টার ব্যাকেও খেলতে পারে। যদিও তিনি এটা মজা করেই বলেছেন, কিন্তু তার বক্তব্য এখানে স্পষ্ট যে দলের জন্য তিনি যে কোনো পজিশনে যে কোনো সময় নামতে পারেন, এবং দলের যেখানে তাকে দরকার পড়বে সেখানেই তিনি কিন্তু খেলতে ইচ্ছুক। তার সাথে সাথে জেসন কামিন্স কিন্তু বললেন যে এই আইএসএল এর বা আইএসএল যবে থেকে জেসন কামিন্স খেলছে, সেরা ডিফেন্ডার তাকে যদি খুঁজে নিতে বলা হয় ভারতবর্ষের, সেটা কিন্তু সন্দেশ ঝিঙ্গার নয় বা আনোয়ার আলী নয়, সেটা কিন্তু তার ক্যাপ্টেন শুভাশিস বোস। এবং তিনি এটাও বলেন যে শুভাশিস বোসের বিরুদ্ধে তিনি কিন্তু প্রত্যেকদিন প্র্যাকটিসে খেলেন, এবং সেখানে তাকে কিন্তু বেশ কড়া চ্যালেঞ্জের মুখোমুখি হতে হয়। চলুন শুনে নি কি বললো মোহনবাগান হেড কোচ এবং জেসন কামিন্স।
First question, we are available, they are fit, they are ready to play against FC Goa. We need to do the last training session, but they are working well and they are fit to play this game. The second one, I know very well Goa, because I was there 3 years, and also I won the local, with Mumbai City there. I have a very good memories. It's difficult to play there because there are hot weather with a lot of humidity. But there are not excuses. We need to be ready to compete in the highest level. We have a very good squad, and we cannot use the weather as an excuse to have bad performance. We are thinking we need to compete in the highest level. We are ready for that, and there are not excuses even. For sure, if you ask to me, I prefer to play in another type, but this is the schedule. We know the schedule from the beginning, and we cannot complain now 1 game before to play against them. This is the schedule. Finally, we are not playing in 19 days, and we are going to play 4 games in practically 12, 13 days. No? But we have 2 ways. To be positive, to try to find solutions, or to try to find excuses and complain here. Complaining here and trying to find excuses is not my way. Always I try to be positive. I think we have a very good squad. If you want to win trophies, you don't need only 11 players, you need a full squad, and I am very happy with that squad I had. I can manage the situation, and I don't think it's a big problem for us. Obviously, we prefer to play with more space between games, no? But this is a schedule, we cannot complain, and finally we need to be ready to compete in the highest level in this scenario, in this situation. I respect about your question, but I am going to speak about the derby, the press conference before the derby. Now, I think we need to respect all of the teams. There are also more teams involved in the situation. They can finish also top of the table. And I don't think now is the moment to speak about the derby. I think we have 2 games before the derby, and my focus now is not thinking in this Bengal, is thinking in the Sudan. Always I am confident, no? Because finally it's not about only the results. No? We need to analyze the results as a professional way, and sometimes we are winning but we can improve, and sometimes we are losing and we are not a disaster team. No? But what gives me the more confidence is to do the training session that we did with these guys. No? They are amazing players, they are amazing professionals, they have experience, they are ambitious, and they want to win. They show to me this every day. When you are going to the competition with this kind of players, this kind of people, you need to be excited because we are ready to compete against everyone in the highest level. I am very positive and optimistic as a coach. In Sepsiboa, especially when they are playing at home, now they are in after the last result, maybe they are playing with less pressure. Could be helpful for them, but they have a very good team, they have a very good coach. Will be difficult game for sure. Will not be easy to win there. But I had a very good squad, as I told you before, and I am excited about this challenge. I am sure we can get a very good result there if we are, in our 100%. For us, the green exists. For some people, there are only black or white. When we go the ground against Jamshedpur or PFC, it was not a disaster for us. Maybe we played very well and we deserved more. No? In the last 2 games, we got 6 points and we are happy. But as a professionals, we know we can improve. No? But there are balance. The emotions, the passion in football is for the supporters, for the journalists, and your analysis is about points, about the performance. For us, we have balance. And when we are winning, we know we can improve. And when we are losing, we know also we are doing some things well. No? The situation in the dressing room is the same. We know our target. We know how demanding is this club. We know to finish in the second position is not good for us. We are going to fight till the end for our target is finish top of the table. But during the way, especially in this season, when you are playing 13 games, the opponents also have chances. Because finally, if you are playing 26 games, finally, at the end of the season, the best team is going to win the league, for sure. In 13 games, depending on the situation, the maximum mistake is less. And other opponents have opportunities also to fight for something, maybe another kind of season is different. No? But we need to be ready for that. No? The most important thing for me is the reaction of the players after maybe don't got the results we are expecting against, for example, Mumbai City or Jamshedpur losing 2 points in the last moment. The reaction of the players in the next games was the experimental team, no? The players who know how to manage the situation. No? I told you before, the best team is the team who manage the difficult moments in the best way. And they show to us they can manage on the pitch these situations with highest level of professionalism. The only thing I know is we can get 12 points. And we are going to fight for that. No? I don't think now we need to think about, because the maximum mistakes, you can change one result with a very small amount. There are some results maybe we didn't expect before. To think about this, the calculations in long term, I I don't think it's so useful for us. No? The most important thing is we can get 3 points against FC Goa, and we are thinking about that. For sure, we can improve in a lot of things, no? Trying to get more balance, but especially I think after 9 games, we got 6 wins. We draw 2 games and lost 1. I think it's a good balance. No? Finally, if we can improve in some areas, for sure. I think we need to be maybe sometimes more clinical finishing the games, killing the games, because we had the chances to beat the game against, for example, Jamshedpur before we concede the goal, and also to have more balance. No? We are attacking team, we are playing attacking football, we are giving the opponent spaces when we are losing the ball, and sometimes in transitions we are suffering. No? This is one of the kind of things maybe we can improve. No? But also you need to deal with the plan A, plan B. No? I think the team played the first games in one way, then we compete sometimes in a different way, trying to adapt in the conditions. But the most important thing is to compete in the highest level. My analysis, only the Mumbai game, I cannot be happy with the performance of the team. Starting with myself, no? I'm not speaking about the team, with me as a coach. No? But I think the team is working well in general terms. I'm happy with the performance till now. It's in our hands to finish top of the table, and we are going to fight for that.
What performance in the full season?
This is obvious.
Season. Obviously I'd like to play more minutes, that's obvious, but it's the same as every player there wants to play. You can only play 11 players, and we can only play 4 foreigners. But when I'm on the pitch, I give 100% every time for this club. I try my best. Been successful here in the past few years, and yeah, all I can do is give my all on the pitch. What was the game? 2 games ago, I scored the winner there, so happy to help the boys. Whenever I'm called upon, I'm happy to do my best to help the team. That's all I can do this season. I think I'm centre back next game. Coach says centre back. I'm not sure. I enjoy playing anywhere. As I said, I spoke to the coach, and everybody knows as well that if I'm on the pitch, I'm happy to help the players, help the boys. I've played in different positions, and it's not a problem for me. For me, the most important is just to enjoy playing, and that's what I do. So I've got an amazing dressing room. The boys are like a close family. We're like brothers. I see these guys more than my actual family, and we got on really well. And I think that's a massive key in success. I think that's why we've been successful. And that's why we're doing well this season, is because we all got on very well in the changing room. We're all driven, and we all want the same thing. We want to win trophies, and yeah, I think it's massive. If you look at any team that have been successful over the years, it comes from a good changing room. Good people in there, and a good environment that genuinely want to do well for each other. As we touched on earlier, if I'm not playing, I'm on the bench. I want the players to do well, and it's the same with the full team. So I think this is a massive reason why we're doing so well. Obviously there's not as many games this season, so every game is a massive game. You've seen it in the table so far that it's ups and downs, there's a lot of change. So it just means it gives us more determination to win every game. Every game is huge. It's a cup final, every game. And now we're going into the crunch time now, it's the championship rounds. And it's a massive game against Goa. We all know what we need to do. And yeah, we need to make sure that we get the points and win every game now. And that's it. No, we've not even thought about that in a bit. It was not even on our minds that at all. It's a different team. It's a new manager. Yeah. No, it was a different time. That's a different time, as I was saying. We've got a different team, we've got a different manager now. We don't look back at results, especially results that have not went our way. Why would we look back at that? We're focused on what's in front of us. We know it's going to be a challenge, but this is what we love. We love the challenge, we love the pressure, we love big games. So we're looking forward to it.
জুয়ারদি ক্রীড়াঙ্গন থেকে আমি অর্পণ দেবনাথ, রেস স্পোর্টস।